Most things that are too good to be true unfortunately are. Here I will be explaining how this too good to be true solution to addiction and other mental problems just might be your solution. You're going to want to watch this video to the very end. Do you find yourself turning to bad habits like alcohol or pornography to escape reality? Surprisingly, video games may be your answer to a more disciplined and healthy lifestyle. Addiction is a serious problem that affects millions of people around the world. But what if there was a way to break free from these harmful addictions and replace them with a healthy alternative? What if I told you that video games could be the answer? Studies have shown that playing challenging video games can help to reduce stress, boost cognitive function, and improve mood. And best of all, it can be a great way to replace bad addictions with a positive and engaging activity. Recent studies have continued to explore the benefits of playing video games. For example, a 2021 study found that playing action video games can improve visual and motor skills in older adults, potentially reducing the risk of falls. Another 2021 study found that playing video games can help people cope with social isolation during the pandemic by providing a sense of social connectedness. Overall, playing video games can offer several benefits, including cognitive development, stress reduction, and mood improvement. As with any activity, it's important to practice moderation and balance when playing video games. So how can you implement video games as an alternative to these harmful addictions? Here are the top 7 ways to get started. 1. Choose challenging games. Pick games that require you to use your brain and focus, rather than mindless ones. 2. Set goals. Set specific goals for yourself in the game, such as beating a certain level or achieving a high score or obtaining in-game trophies. 3. Track your progress. Keep track of your progress in the game and celebrate your achievements along the way. 4. Find a supportive community. Join a group of like-minded gamers who can offer encouragement and support. Many games have third-party apps that can tremendously enhance your gaming experience. 5. Use gaming as a reward. Instead of turning to alcohol or pornography as a reward, use gaming as a positive reinforcement for good behavior. 6. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks and step away from the game when you need to avoid burnout and maintain a healthy balance. 7. Don't give up. Like any new habit, it may take time and effort to replace your old addiction with a new one. But don't give up. The rewards of a healthier lifestyle are worth it. Here are 6 challenging recommended video games to play. 1. Destiny 2. This science fiction shooter game is known for its challenging and PvP gameplay, as well as its engaging storyline. This sci-fi shooter has a reward system that is guaranteed to keep you coming back for more. Available on PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. 2. Dark Souls. A notoriously difficult action RPG that requires precise timing, careful planning, and strategic thinking. Play on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. 3. Bloodborne. Another challenging action RPG from the makers of Dark Souls, with a gothic horror theme and intense combat. This game is a PlayStation exclusive. 4. Cuphead. A classic style run and gun game with a unique hand-drawn art style and notoriously difficult boss battles. Available on PC, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and PlayStation 4. 5. Celeste. A platformer that challenges players to navigate through increasingly difficult levels, while dealing with mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Available on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. 6. Sekiro: Shadows Die Twice. A challenging action-adventure game set in feudal Japan, with demanding combat and an engaging story. Play this on PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. So what are you waiting for? Grab a controller and start playing your way to a healthier and happier life.